This is a very important data that we should understand. The rate cut and the new GST reforms will inject nearly 2 lakh crore into the system. So, I take the example. We give PLIs, semiconductor manufacturer, earlier automobile manufacturing. We want to incentivize them so that they can produce and produce well in this country. Assume for PLI we give a certain amount. By injecting this amount through the rate cuts for GST, we are actually giving 10 times of what PLIs are giving directly to the people. You get that money in your hand, you decide how do you want to spend, you want to promote in terms of consuming certain goods from some sectors, whether it is cars or anything else, or you want to build your house, or you want to save it. So, what a PLI requires, this gives, the GST rate cut actually gives 10 times more than that one PLI. That money actually is going not to the sectoral producers, but to the people's hands. That's the volume that we are talking about. And similarly, if you were going to compare it with PM Awas Yojana, which is a welfare scheme for the poor who don't have house, we provide them houses. So if you were to compare it with Awas Yojana, this is 4 times more than the Awas Yojana, that the money is going to the hands of the people itself. So this reform is not just going to promote one sector, it is going to be benefiting every citizen in terms of the money that he spends in the form of tax will be far lesser than what he did before. So what will the impact, overall impact be? Rates have come down, consumption can go up, higher demand and higher production. The more the demand, the companies which are selling those products will have to invest more, produce more, their capacities will go up. As a result, more production will lead to more jobs. As a result, more jobs means wider the tax base, because more people will have income to buy things and also pay tax if it comes to them at their personal whatever level of income they earn. Then from there, the tax base widens, but that will lead to a foundation for even lesser taxes. If more people are paying tax, we can even bring the burden down even further.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.